guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a cozy kitchen nook with using farmhouse style. I started with this wooden tray from Kirkland's. I was able to get this on sale, so it was less than the price listed. I am using things that I already had in the house except for the tray. The utensil holder here I purchased at HomeGoods a couple of years ago, but I actually think I saw one very similar, maybe exactly like it there not too long ago. The salt and pepper shakers from Target and the Scentsy warmer I've had as well. I really like this warmer because obviously the color is one of my favorite colors, actually my main favorite color, and I like the glow it gives off, especially in the evening after we've cleaned up the kitchen after dinner. It just really has a nice little ambiance to it, so I think it's really sweet. This succulent planter here is something I've made, so if you would just stay to the end of this video and I'll show you how I made that. When it comes to decorating, I like to move my items around just to make sure the placement is exactly how I like them, and that is what I'm doing here. I'm just playing around with it a little bit. My style kinda is all over the place, honestly. I do love Farmhouse, but I like Real Antiques, and I kind of lean more towards the traditional because I love the bold blues and greens, and so I wouldn't say I'm necessarily Farmhouse style, but this nook here is definitely more of the Farmhouse style, and I'm going to show you guys as the seasons go on how I switch it up and make it a little more traditional and accommodate the seasons. So I really liked the picture I had there, but I decided to change it for the summer, and I used this measuring cup I got from my mom as a gift, and I put some fresh lemons in it. When the lemons are gone, I will put the succulents in the picture back, but I wanted to show you what it looks like, and I really like how it is bright and fresh for the summertime. This aqua tin here is what the utensils and salt and pepper shaker were on previously. If you remember in other videos, I had the utensil holder on there, and I got that at the Goodwill for about $1 and just spray painted it myself. So you can find some really good stuff thrift shopping, you guys. Tell me what you think about it. I think it's really sweet, and I love the way it turned out. Now I'm going to use an old IKEA glass planter. I think they're about $2.99 or $3.99. I don't remember exactly, but I've had it for a couple of years. I usually have the orchids in it, but today I'm going to switch it up and use the foam blocks that I got from the Dollar Tree. You get 4 for $1 and make a good base for the succulents. I'm then going to fill it up with the rocks, or put the rocks on the top just to give the succulents a good base. I will link the video above of where I made a succulent planter, a Dollar Tree succulent planter. These I got from Joann Fabrics. They were about $1, so I added them into that DIY. Right now they're about 70, 80, and some places 90% off at Hobby Lobby, Michael's, and Joann's. So definitely go and find those there. It might seem a little silly to buy them with fall coming up, but go ahead and stock up. You will save some serious money, and they always stay in style. I'm not going to glue these down because I always change my decor and I don't want it permanent, but it's just going to sit with the utensil holder in that little tray, so it's okay to leave it that way. I actually have it sitting in my office right now because I have the lemons there now. I hope you guys like decorating videos like this. Make sure to give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys like to see in the comments below. I just wanted to do something short and sweet and show you how to make a really sweet, cozy area for your kitchen. I hope you guys liked it, and don't forget to subscribe, y'all. Bye!